Behold, the Empress. She is the embodiment of fertility, creation, and boundless energy. But is she truly as she seems? The Empress is the archetype of fertility, abundance, and creative energy. She is the mother of all living things, a symbol of nature and sensual love. Where the High Priestess keeps secrets, the Empress brings them to life. One rules the unseen, the other shapes the visible. The Empress is action, creation. She is the fertile soil on which the seeds of intuition and inspiration sprout. Let's examine the key symbols of this card. The Empress is depicted surrounded by a blooming garden, symbolizing fertility and abundance. The Empress's crown is a symbol of cosmic connection with the higher forces. The scepter in her hand is a symbol of power and creation. The knight's shield, radiating a soft glow, symbolizes love and protection. In the background, we see a smoothly flowing river, symbolizing the flow of life. In divination, the Empress symbolizes fertility, abundance, creativity, and sensuality. She indicates a period of growth, prosperity, and enjoyment of life. The card can also speak of motherhood, nurturing, and protection. The Empress encourages us to unleash our creativity, enjoy the beauty of the world, and care for those we hold dear. She reminds us that life is a gift to be treasured and lived to the fullest. If you have drawn the Empress card, ask yourself the following questions. How can I unleash my creative potential? How can I enjoy the beauty of the world? How can I show care and love to those I care about? The Empress manifests in our lives when we create, care, and enjoy the beauty of the world. Let's look at some examples. The artist, inspired by the beauty of nature, creates her own blooming garden on canvas. She puts love and creative energy into her work, like the Empress, creating the world around her. A mother, surrounded by care and love, gives her child warmth and protection. She is the embodiment of maternal love, like an empress, protecting her children. The gardener, lovingly tending his garden, is a symbol of fertility and creation. He is a creator, creating beauty and abundance, like the empress, transforming the world around her. A dancer, expressing her feelings through dance, is a symbol of sensuality and self-expression. She is the embodiment of creative energy, like the Empress, enjoying the beauty and joy of life. Her power is undeniable. Where she steps, life flourishes. Where she reigns, abundance follows. But don't be fooled by her serene smile. Behind the scenes, she's the true mastermind. Yet, beyond her throne, and crown, she is simply a woman who longs to love and be loved, but is often denied this privilege. But she does not waver, for she knows that true power is not in possession, but in creation, in the harmony of giving and receiving. The Empress is more than an ancient symbol. She is in every creator, every nurturer, every visionary who shapes the world today. Of course, even an empress has her share of admirers, but choosing the right one, now that's a challenge.
A love that's bold yet filled with fear, hoping the Empress will draw near.
So tell me, when the Empress appears in your reading, what does she tell you? Are you nurturing your dreams? Are you embracing creation? Or perhaps, are you ready to take the throne of your own destiny?
Oh, Empress bright with crown so high, the love-struck souls beneath your sky, they whisper dreams like falling rain, but who will heal your heart's refrain?
But who stands beside her? Or against her?
Bravery seated quiet